welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tesa, or Tesa.mo on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. So today I have a fun video for you guys. So today I have a video that I've been wanting to do for you guys for a minute now. It's going to be a 90s inspired glam, and I was just feeling like doing a fall toned, neutral toned, natural glam 90s inspired makeup with the blowout. I don't have a blowout right now, but we're gonna make it work. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It kind of matches my nails too, which you guys have already seen, and they already look kind of like busted already, but these are the nails. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I hope you guys enjoy. The palettes that I'm using are very accessible. The colors that I'm using today are gonna be very easy to find, very replaceable. Like you can swap them out for anything really that you want. Make sure you go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe down below, because we know that that's the most important thing to do. So yeah, please do that for me. Please do it now. Besides that, I don't really have much else to say besides be safe, be proactive, be productive, and I don't know, I can't think of anything else. So just enjoy. Bye! lashes, make sure you go and get yours. The sponge that I use, the microfiber sponge, which I love, I'm obsessed with them now, is also from Baddie Cosmetics, so make sure you go ahead and get yourself some of that. They look, they're so, so, so cute and fluffy. So I just did my hair. You guys missed it, but it honestly is not all that. It's literally, I just put my hair up in a messy bun and pulled out a few of my front little fringe and let them hang closely by my head. So it's super, super easy, and it literally gives the ultimate Friends and glam 90s look. And I really, really hope that I catch you guys next time. Turn on those bell notification posts. Make sure you turn them on. Make sure you have your YouTube notifications on in general. Otherwise, you will not get it, even if you do click the bell. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Espero que les gustó. Y espero que me regresen para ver el próximo video. Cuídense mucho. Ten mucho cuidado por las calles. Y yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, day, month, year, life. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.